Imagine a single plant so powerful it has been called the miracle tree. A tree that ancient civilizations have sworn by for centuries. A tree so packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and healing properties that it's been used to treat everything from fatigue to heart disease. What if I told you that this miracle tree exists, and it's called Moringa? Stay with me because by the end of this video you'll not only discover 20 science-backed benefits of Moringa powder, but I'll also show you exactly how to use it for maximum impact on your health. You won't want to miss this. And if you're new here, welcome to our channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on powerful natural health tips. If you are already a part of the family, please know that we thank and appreciate you. Now let's dive in. Moringa is a tree native to parts of Asia and Africa. And what's fascinating is that every single part of this tree, the leaves, the seeds, the bark, even the roots, has medicinal properties. But the real superstar? Moringa powder made from the dried leaves. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's a natural superfood that has been quietly changing lives for generations. But what makes it so powerful? Let's find out. Here are 20 incredible benefits of Moringa. Moringa is so nutrient-dense it's like a natural multivitamin. It contains more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, more iron than spinach, more potassium than bananas. It contains 18 different amino acids, including all 9 essential amino acids, making it one of the best plant-based protein sources. That's why many vegans and vegetarians love it. Did you know that inflammation is the root cause of diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer? Moringa is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that help calm your body's immune response, keeping inflammation under control. Free radicals damage our cells, leading to premature aging and disease. Moringa is rich in antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which protect your body from oxidative stress. If you struggle with blood sugar spikes, Moringa might be your secret weapon. Studies show that it helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, but Moringa has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol while boosting heart health. Your liver works hard to detox your body. Moringa aids in liver detoxification and promotes liver cell repair, keeping it functioning at its best. Scary fact: arsenic is found in foods like rice and even drinking water. Moringa helps combat arsenic toxicity, protecting your organs from its harmful effects. Suffering from bloating, gas, or constipation? Moringa is packed with fiber and gut-friendly compounds that help regulate digestion. With high amounts of calcium and phosphorus, Moringa keeps your bones and teeth strong, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Applying Moringa topically can help heal wounds, cuts, and infections thanks to its antimicrobial properties. For nursing mothers, Moringa can increase milk supply thanks to its rich nutritional profile. Moringa boosts metabolism and fat burning, helping you shed unwanted weight without feeling sluggish. It also reduces cravings. Packed with vitamin E and antioxidants, Moringa helps keep skin glowing and youthful while strengthening hair and reducing dandruff. Moringa contains brain-boosting nutrients like vitamin E and C, helping improve focus, memory, and mood. Struggling with headaches? Moringa has been used traditionally to reduce migraine frequency and intensity. It cleanses your body from toxins, heavy metals, and impurities, naturally supporting liver and kidney function. Moringa can naturally increase testosterone levels, enhancing libido and improving overall sexual health. If you're dealing with hormonal imbalances or menopause symptoms, Moringa may help restore balance and ease discomfort. With 2 grams of protein per cup of leaves, Moringa is a great plant-based protein source for muscle repair and overall health. So how do you actually use Moringa? Here are the best ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Morning detox drink. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of moringa powder into a glass of warm water and drink first thing in the morning. Smoothies. Add moringa to your favorite smoothie for a nutrient boost. Soups and curries. Stir it into soups, stews, or curries for an extra punch of nutrition. Tea. Brew dried moringa leaves into a soothing herbal tea. Capsules. If you're not a fan of the taste, moringa is also available in capsule form. Now that you know the incredible benefits of moringa, are you ready to try it? Let me know in the comments. I know that you found this video valuable, informative, and very educational, so go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-boosting content. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But, until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning. See you in the next video.